Bring a taste of the 50s to your kitchen with the Swan Retro Microwave. Its timeless design and powerful 800-watt output with a fantastic MAF-E rating means it's the perfect combination of style and high performance. Despite its compact appearance, it has a generous 20-litre capacity and 5 power levels. It's ideal for cooking a whole variety of foods without taking up too much room on your worktop. Its convenient digital display uses bright white LEDs, adding a modern twist, meaning you can choose the required time quickly and easily, and its 2-year guarantee offers that additional peace of mind. The Swan Retro Microwave, designed for life.
Take a few minutes and check out the link in the description. This may be exactly what you're looking for.